Let me show you how to insert your microSD memory card in your Nintendo Switch 2. So when it comes to Switch 2, there is one thing you need to know. The Switch 2 actually uses special kind of memory cards, and basically a regular memory card actually won't work with your Switch 2. So if you try to insert, it will simply give error basically. And the memory card you actually need for Switch 2 is this Express standard. So they have special standards that only works mostly with these Switch consoles. So for example, this is basically one you can probably purchase, so this is probably the most popular one from SanDisk. But as you see, they're also quite expensive, so literally like $70 for 256 gigabytes, maybe a bit cheaper for 128 gigabytes. So I'll leave a link where you actually need to go to purchase this on Amazon. So again, make sure basically on your card it says Express or also EX essentially. So either Express or EX. There are only few manufacturers that even like makes these memory cards for the Switch 2 essentially. So again, like a regular card actually won't work. You show as I will demonstrate. Then to access your slot basically for the memory card, you actually have to lift up this basically, and the memory card slot is located right over here, so I hope you can see. So this is where we actually need to insert it. So then, and the way we insert it is basically with this like metal shiny part basically on the bottom. So again, the text will go on the up. So actually I do not have the memory card I showed you, so I will simply show you what you will see basically. So, and basically as you see, once I insert it, I actually need to use my fingernail to push it all the way in. So, and simply like literally push it all the way in. So I hope you can see, and you will also hear a tiny click. So again, make sure you actually hear a click. So you see, if I click it out again, I can remove it then, and again, so literally make sure it clicks inside. And then basically, once you actually insert your correct memory card, you will actually get a prompt here that asks you to update the system. So you will have to simply click and your console will essentially restart. So again, you will see a prompt basically to do it. But as you can see, basically, if you actually insert the incorrect memory card, as you see, this error you will receive. So again, we are only able to use these special memory cards on the Switch 2. So again, make sure you actually do not purchase the wrong one. So I'll include where you need to go to get one of these. Anyway, good luck.